Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Monzo features for students in 2026. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're a student trying to manage money without stress, Monzo gives you tools that make budgeting simple. The built-in budget and categories features help you track spending in real time, so you always know how much you've used for food, transport, or weekend plan. And with Monzo Pot, you can set aside money for rent, textbooks, or savings, keeping everything organized so you don't accidentally spend what you need later. Instant notification also make it easy to stay on top of every transaction. Monzo is also great for students who travel, offering low-fee international spending plus flexible account plan with helpful extras like boosted savings interest or better ATM limit abroad. So overall, Monzo gives students a clean, easy way to budget, save, and manage day-to-day expenses. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more banking tips, and comment which money features you would like to use first. And that's it.